Hey, fashionistas! Welcome back to Bombshell Whims, where we explore all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and everything in between. Today, I'm excited to bring you something fabulous, my top 10 bow day style ideas. That's right, bows aren't just for little girls anymore. They're all grown up and ready to elevate your wardrobe in ways you never imagined. Whether you're adding a playful touch to your hair, spicing up your accessories, or rocking an outfit that ties everything together, bows are here to stay. So let's dive right in. Before we dive into all these chic styling ideas, let's talk about bows for a minute. Did you know there is a holiday that celebrates bows? Yep, you heard right. It is referred to as International Bow Day. This day was celebrated on August 19th. Cut to the present, and bows and ribbons are one of the biggest trends of the year. Are you ready to add this popular accessory and fashion style to your wardrobe? First up, we've got the ultimate combination of cute and classy. Bows in your hair. I love using bows to add a touch of elegance or playfulness to any hairstyle. One of my personal favorites is the triple ponytail with bows, especially for formal events. It's a look that says, I'm put together, while still keeping things fun and youthful. For a more delicate, romantic vibe, I love using three-piece bow hair clips. These tiny, chic clips come in a variety of colors, so you can match them to any outfit. I'm actually attending a pre-wedding party at a country club soon, and my hairstylist suggested I use these bows to enhance my triple ponytail. It's going to be such a standout look, and I can't wait to show it off. But bows in your hair aren't just for fancy occasions. You can easily add a simple ribbon to a messy bun or a braid to take your everyday look to the next level. The options are endless. Next up, we're moving on to jewelry. If you're someone who loves accessories, and let's be honest, who doesn't, then you need to check out these pearl bow earrings. These long dangle drop earrings are perfect for adding that extra touch of glamour. Whether you're going for a sophisticated evening look or you just want to jazz up a more casual outfit, these earrings are a go-to. And let's not forget about the boho pearl choker necklace. Chokers have made a major comeback in recent years, and this one, featuring an imitation pearl and subtle bow detail, is a perfect mix of edgy and elegant. You can wear it to a wedding, a holiday party, or even with a simple blouse to elevate your everyday look. The versatility of this piece is what makes it a must-have in your jewelry collection. Okay, let's talk about something we all love: handbags. One of my favorite picks is this quilted faux leather handbag. It's feminine, fun, and oh so stylish. Plus, it's available in several colors, so there's something for everyone, whether you love pastels, neutrals, or bold tones. The adjustable strap makes it super convenient to carry, and the durable handle ensures it'll last you for years. Handbags are more than just a practical accessory. They're an essential part of any outfit. With this handbag, you're not only adding a touch of elegance to your look, but also getting a timeless piece that works for any occasion. Now, for those of us who love shoes, yes, that's all of us, right? The Kurt Geiger London Embellished Bow Slides are the ultimate find. These slides have a crystal-embellished bow and are perfect for summer days, whether you're out for brunch with friends or walking along the beach. The lining makes them super comfortable, so you can wear them all day without any discomfort. These slides are the perfect combination of comfort and style. They give you that extra bit of sparkle without being too over the top. You can pair them with dresses, shorts, or even a simple tee and jeans. If you need a shoe that can take you from day to night, look no further than the Bandolino Women's Zephyr Pumps. These pumps are sleek, comfortable, and perfect for just about any occasion. I love that they come in a variety of colors, so you can easily match them to your wardrobe. They're a staple in my shoe collection and always get me tons of compliments when I wear them out. Whether you're heading to the office or going out for drinks, these pumps are versatile enough to suit any occasion. Plus, at under $55, they're a total steal. For those chilly fall and winter days, there's nothing better than cozying up in a chunky sweater, and the chunky preppy pullover bow sweater is a must-have. Made from soft yarn, this sweater is not only stylish, but incredibly comfortable too. You can wear it with jeans, skirts, or even leggings for a cozy yet polished look. One thing I love about this sweater is that it's available in so many different colorways, so you can choose the perfect shade for you. And if you want to add a little holiday flair, the red version is perfect for festive gatherings. For something a little more formal, the textured dress with bow detail is the perfect choice. This dress is effortlessly chic, with a textured finish that gives it an elevated look. It's a dress you can wear from day to night, making it super versatile for all kinds of occasions. Whether you're going to a cocktail party or just out for a nice dinner, this dress will definitely make a statement. And the bow detail? It's just the right amount of feminine flair without being too much. Tee for a more casual look, the tied-up tee is a great option. It's simple, cute, and the bow tie detail adds that extra touch of personality. Available in both white and navy, this tee is perfect for pairing with your favorite jeans or shorts. It's comfortable enough for everyday wear, but stylish enough to make you stand out. The tied-up tee is all about adding a little flair to your casual wardrobe. It's one of those pieces that's easy to wear, but still feels fashionable and fun. Before we wrap things up completely, I wanted to take a moment to explore just how versatile bows truly are. While we've covered the latest styles and tips for incorporating them into your wardrobe, there's so much more to this timeless accessory. Bows have an incredible history, transforming through the decades to suit the trends of each era. From playful accents in the 20s to bold fashion statements in the 80s, bows have remained a beloved staple. So, let's take a quick trip through fashion history and see how bows have evolved over time. Let's begin with the 1920s, the era of flapper fashion. During this time, bows were frequently seen in headpieces, often worn low on the forehead as part of the quintessential flapper look. These headbands, adorned with bows, feathers, and sequins, added a feminine touch to the sleek and more androgynous silhouettes of the time. Bows here represented a playful break from the past, offering a fun contrast to the straight lines and simple dresses that were in vogue. Next, the 1950s brought back a sense of glamour and femininity. Think of icons like Audrey Hepburn and Grace Kelly. Their style was all about elegance, and bows were no exception. In this era, bows were larger and more dramatic, often placed at the waist of dresses or used as finishing touches on gowns. They became a symbol of sophisticated style, emphasizing the hourglass figure that was popular at the time. Now, let's fast forward to the 1980s, a decade of bold fashion statements. Bows got a whole lot bigger and became a bit rebellious. This was the era of punk rock and new wave fashion, where bows were worn with an edge. Think of Madonna in her Like a Virgin era, rocking that giant, iconic bow in her hair. In the 1980s, bows weren't just a cute accessory. They were loud, bold, and all about making a statement. In recent years, bows have continued to evolve, becoming a versatile accessory in both high fashion and street style. Designers like Gucci and Valentino regularly feature bows in their collections, often using them to add a touch of drama to their runway looks. Meanwhile, celebrities like Rihanna and Zendaya have been spotted rocking bows in creative ways, from oversized hair bows to chic blouses. Today, bows are more versatile than ever. Whether you're going for a subtle touch with a small bow in your hair or a big, statement-making bow on a dress, there's a way for everyone to incorporate this timeless trend into their wardrobe. What's amazing is how something so simple can be adapted to fit any era, any style, and any personality. So whether you're inspired by the flappers of the 1920s, the glamour of the 1950s, or the boldness of the 1980s, there's always room for bows in your wardrobe. I love how fashion constantly reinvents itself, and bows are the perfect example of a trend that never truly goes out of style. And there you have it, my top 10 bow day style ideas to help you elevate your look and celebrate this timeless trend. Whether you're going for glamorous earrings, chic hair accessories, or cozy sweaters, there's a bow-inspired option for every occasion. So tell me in the comments, how will you be styling your bows this season? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bombshell Whims for more fabulous fashion tips. And of course, Happy International Bow Day!